ABC Home will install your Christmas lights.
The ABC family has been serving Texas for over 60 years. Our service was built on the belief that every family deserves a safe, comfortable, and beautiful home. And that's never been more apparent than during the Christmas season when we light up homes across Houston. Our custom Christmas light solutions are measured and cut specifically for your home. Our family of specialists look forward to helping you spread the Christmas cheer. We handle everything from light installation to removal and storage. From the wreath on your door to the lights and ornaments on your trees, you will never have to climb a ladder as we handle lighting the roof lines, arches, walkways, and flower beds. We can even wrap and decorate the trees in the yard with lights. We know what we do for you is important, and that's why we treat your home as if it were our own. So when you hear ABC Home and Commercial Services is a family business, we don't just mean our family, we mean yours too. For more information about holiday lighting, please subscribe to our page, follow us on social media, check out our blog at abchomeandcommercial.com.
ABC